So in this video, we're going to solve questions from chapter number 18, surface areas and volumes. We're going to look at questions from exercise 13.8. So let's come down and try to focus on this question number 7. Okay. So the question reads, find the volume of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Okay. So this is typically how a sphere looks, and we know that the formula, so surface area of sphere. What is the formula to calculate the surface area of sphere? It is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, but they have given us that the surface area of the sphere is 154. So 154 is equal to 4 pi r square. So from this equation, we can easily find out the value of r of our sphere. Once we know the value of r of the sphere, we can find the volume of the sphere, because to find the volume of the sphere, we need to know the radius of the sphere. Okay, so now let's focus on this. So I'm going to say therefore 154 is equal to 4 into, let's use pi as 22 by 7 into r square. Okay, so as you might have to observe a bit. Okay, it's not very obvious that yeah, so this is divisible by 11, this is divisible by 11. So let's do it. 11 into 2 is 22, and 11 into 1 is 11, 11 into 4 is 44. Okay, and now let's continue further. 2 and this will be 7. 2 into 7 is 40. Okay, now let's try to rearrange. Therefore we have 7 here multiplied by this 7. Okay, 7 is equal to 4 into r square. Okay, this is our current scenario of the equation. So therefore we basically get 7 square is equal to 2 square into r square. Okay, I'm purposefully mentioning all the values in terms of square, because now we have to take the square root. And now let's take square root on both the sides of equation. So square, I'm just going to write here square root on both the sides of equation. So if we take the square roots on both the sides of equation, what we get is, therefore 7 is equal to 2 into r. Okay, so what is the actual value of r? Therefore r is actually equal to 7 by 2, which we can say is 3.5. And what is the unit? Unit is very important, centimeter square. So this is centimeter. So r is equal to, let's box it, r of our sphere is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So once you know the value of r, now we have to find the volume. Find the volume of sphere whose surface area was given to us. So let's find the volume. We know the value of r. So okay, now so I'm just going to say now volume of sphere, okay, is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula to find the volume of the sphere, and that is equal to 4 by 3 into, so pi we can say 22 by 7 into r cube. So r is 3.5, the whole cube. Okay, so now we again know that 3.5 will be divisible by 7. So let's try to use that information. So 4.4 by 3 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by, I'm just going to write 3.5 3 times, because that's cube. 3.5 and 3.5. Okay, so first let's do the obvious division. 7 into this will be 0.5. Okay, 7 into 0.5 is equal to 3.5, because 7 into 5 is 35. Now nothing is divisible by this 3. Okay, nothing is divisible by this 3. So we have to do this entire multiplication and then divide it by 3. So for that, let's use calculator. That this is equal to, okay, this is equal to 179.66, and the unit is very important, centimeter cube. So this is the required volume of the sphere, 179.66 centimeter cube, whose surface area, so let's come here, yeah, whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So quite interestingly, if you note, the surface area of the sphere is almost equal to the volume of the sphere. This is 154 centimeter square, and the volume is like 180 centimeter square. So they are quite close, which is a little bit not a very common thing in spheres, because for the volume we have this r cube, and to calculate the surface area we have this r square. So anyway, just a random observation. So this is how we calculate the volume of the sphere whose surface area was given to us.